Namaste. The next concept, ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನಲ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ವಾತಾವರಣ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ, ಸಾಂಸ್ಥಿಕ ವಾತಾವರಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. So we are going to study the meaning, characteristics and factors influencing organizational climate. In the previous class we had studied about the meaning, importance and process of team building. So the learning objectives: to know the concept of organizational climate, to understand the characteristics and factors influencing organizational climate. Session outcomes. This session helps to know the meaning of organization climate. It helps to understand the features or characteristics of organization climate, and it helps to identify the various factors influencing organizational climate. Meaning of organizational climate. So, organizational climate reflects a person's perception, right? It reflects a person's perception of the organization to which he belongs. ಸಾಂಸ್ಥಿಕ ವಾತಾವರಣ ಅಥವಾ ಸಾಂಸ್ಥಿಕ ಏನಿದೆ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್, ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್, ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಂಪನಿಯ ಮೇಲೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಆರ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯ ಗ್ರಹಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರತಿಬಿಂಬಿಸ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಪ್ಷನ್, ಹೌ ಅ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನಲ್ climate. So for example, if a person is working in Infosys and what he thinks about Infosys, okay, what perception he has, that is the organizational climate. So it is not just one employee, collective. It is a collective opinion or collective perception. We can say on an average, the people are happy at Infosys, or the organizational climate is really good. So that means it's their perception, right? So organizational climate reflects a person's perception of the organization to which he belongs. It is a set of unique characteristics. So it is a set of unique characteristics and features that are perceived by the employees. Okay, that are perceived by the employees about their organizations, which serves as a major force in influencing their behavior. So it is a set of unique characteristics. For example, if an organization has concern for the employees, okay, even during the financial difficulties, the organization is trying to retain the employees, and if the employees have some problem, the organization addresses that issue immediately. That means what? That is a unique characteristic, right? Unique characteristic of that organization that is perceived by the employees. Employees think, okay, this organization cares for us, right? And it serves as a major force in influencing their behavior. When the company has positive impact on the employees take the same way. The employees feel that this is our organization and we have to work more, right? So here what happens? Organizational climate is a set of unique characteristics and features that are perceived by the employees about their organization, which serves as a major force in influencing their behavior. ಇದು ನೌಕರರು ತಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗ್ರಹಿಸುವ ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ಗುಣಲಕ್ಷಣಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ವೈಶಿಷ್ಟ್ಯಗಳ ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ಗುಂಪಾಗಿದ್ದು, ಅದು ಅವರ ನಡವಳಿಕೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಭಾವ ಬೀರುವಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಶಕ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. The organizational climate is in a broad sense can be understood as a social setting of the organization. So in a broad way, okay, ವಿಶಾಲ ಅರ್ಥದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬಹುದು? Organizational climate in a broad way can be understood as the social setting of the organization. ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್? ಸೊ ಹೌ ಡು ಯು ಫೀಲ್ ದೇರ್? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನಲ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಬ್ರಾಡ್ ವೇ. It has a significant impact on job satisfaction, productivity, and motivational levels of employees in the organization. ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ತೃಪ್ತಿ, ಉತ್ಪಾದಕತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿನ ನೌಕರರ ಪ್ರೇರಕ ಮಟ್ಟಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಗಮನಾರ್ಹವಾದ ಪರಿಣಾಮವನ್ನು ಬೀರ್ತದೆ. See, when the organizational climate is good, the employees tend to work more. They feel happy. right? If the organization climate is not good, for example, always scolding the employees, always giving pressure, okay, not even considering them as human beings, so all these things adversely affect the employees. So when the organizational climate is so positive and vibrant, the employees definitely they work more, correct? Definition of organizational climate. According to Bowditch and Buno, organizational culture is connected with the nature of beliefs and expectations about the organization life, while climate is an indicator of whether these beliefs or expectations are being fulfilled. So here they have given both the things. Organization culture means what? It is connected with the nature of beliefs and expectations about the organizational life. So organization culture, the culture of the organization is this. But organization climate is whether they are living up to the expectations, whether these beliefs are fulfilled. For example, if an organization says, our culture, our organizational culture is uh, like taking care of the employees. We focus on the well being of the employees. Okay, so that is our organizational culture. Now, the employees will think or employees experience after some time whatever they had promised as their organizational culture, whether it is fulfilled. If the employees are taken care of, then they think, okay, organizational climate is good, it is positive. So here there is a match between organization culture and organizational climate. But in case the company just says for the namesake, we care for the employees. But in actual practice, if the company does not do anything good for the employees, then employees think that organizational climate is not good. Okay, so organization culture is the nature of beliefs or expectation about organizations. Climate is the indicator, it is the actual thing whether these beliefs and expectations are being fulfilled. ಸಾಂಸ್ಥಿಕ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯು ನಂಬಿಕೆಗಳ ಸ್ವರೂಪ ಮತ್ತು ಸಾಂಸ್ಥಿಕ ಜೀವನದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿರೀಕ್ಷೆಗಳೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸಂಪರ್ಕ ಹೊಂದಿದೆ. ನಿರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಷನ್. ಆದರೆ ಸಾಂಸ್ಥಿಕ ವಾತಾವರಣ, ಓಕೆ, ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್ ಈ ನಂಬಿಕೆಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ನಿರೀಕ್ಷೆಗಳನ್ನು ಈಡೇರಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆಯೇ ಎಂಬುದರ ಸೂಚಕವಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ನಂಬಿಕೆಗಳು ಈಡೇರುತ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಈಡೇರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಅದನ್ನು ಸೂಚಿಸೋದು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನಲ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್. ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನಲ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್, ಸಾಂಸ್ಥಿಕ ವಾತಾವರಣದ ಗುಣಲಕ್ಷಣಗಳು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಜನರಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್, ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಅಭಿವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Organizational climate is a general expression or the perception of the individuals about its organization. Okay, ಜನರಲ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಪ್ಷನ್, ಕಂಪನಿಯ ಆಂತರಿಕ ಪರಿಸರದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವರ ಯೋಚನೆಗಳು ಹಾಗೂ ಅನಿಸಿಕೆಗಳು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಡಿಪಿಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಥಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಎನ್ವೈರನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕಂಪನಿ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಡು ದೇ ಥಿಂಕ್? ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಜನರಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಆನ್ ಅನ್ ಆವರೇಜ್ how the people think about this organization. So one of the characteristic feature is general expression. That is the general expression or perception of the employees in the organization about internal environment. The next one, unique identity. It is the organizational climate that gives the organization a unique or distinct identity. ಸೊ ಯುನಿಕ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಂಕ್ಟ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ, ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟವಾದ ಗುರುತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದೇ ಆ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ಗೆ ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟವಾದ ಗುರುತನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಯಾಕೆ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಈಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್, ದ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಯುನೀಕ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಟು ದ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್. ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್, ಮಲ್ಟಿ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಮಲ್ಟಿ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂತಹ ಬಹು ಆಯಾಮದ ಪರಿಕಲ್ಪನೆ. ಮಲ್ಟಿ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್, ಬಹು ಆಯಾಮದ ಪರಿಕಲ್ಪನೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂತಹ ಆಯಾಮಗಳನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತದೆ. ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನಲ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ the concept where its numerous dimensions include degree of conflict, leadership styles, authority structure, autonomous nature, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರೀತಿಯ ವಿಷಯಗಳ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಕಂಪನಿ, ಹೌ ಡು ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಎನ್ವೈರನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್? You will identify each and everything, right? Whether there is conflict, degree of conflict. If always there is a fight, conflicts, then you say the organization climate is bad. Correct? And leadership style. You can take into consideration the leadership style which is prevailing in the organization. If you think, okay, the superiors or the managers or the key people are really good, they are helping each other, okay, they are taking care of the employees, then you can say, okay, there is a good climate. And authority structure, authority and responsibility, okay, what kind of authority is being possessed by the people and how responsible they are, right? So all these things are the different dimensions of organizational climate. So multidimensional, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, this is not a single point. Organization climate means there are various things which finally makes the employee feel a particular way in the organization, right? So it is multidimensional concept which includes the leadership, the degree of conflict, leadership styles, authority, all these things. The next one is intangible concept. It is intangible concept. ಅಮೂರ್ತ ಪರಿಕಲ್ಪನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Intangible means what? You cannot touch it, right? So, a crucial characteristic of organizational climate is that it is considered as a qualitative or intangible concept. Qualitative ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. Why? What is the reason? Because it is quite challenging to explain the components in measurable units. ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ 90% it is good or 85% good or 20% good. We can't measure it. So it is an intangible concept. The last one is enduring quality. Organizational climate is built over a certain period and is the representation of the enduring quality of the internal environment of the company that is experienced by its employees. So organizational climate ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದು ಒಂದೇ ಸಲಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಲ್ಲ. See, yesterday the organization is in the sense inception, okay, we created an organization. Today we can't say the organization climate is this. No, it is over a period of time. For example, the organization is there for 10 years. So in those 10 years, the organization has built certain kind of climate. The internal environment is created, okay, which is experienced by its employees. So it is enduring quality. It is built over a certain period of time, okay, and is representation of the enduring quality of the internal environment of the company, right? ಇದು ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ನಿರಂತರವಾದ ಒಂದು ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟವನ್ನು ಕಾಯ್ದುಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಸಾಂಸ್ಥಿಕ ವಾತಾವರಣ ಒಂದು ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟ ಅವಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿರ್ಮಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಇದು ಕಂಪನಿಯ ಆಂತರಿಕ ಪರಿಸರದ ನಿರಂತರ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟವನ್ನು ಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಅದರ ಉದ್ಯೋಗಿಗಳ ಅನುಭವಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಆಂತರಿಕ ಪರಿಸರದ ನಿರಂತರ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟವನ್ನು ಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್. ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಫ್ಲೂಯೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನಲ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್. One by one we can see organizational structure. So these are the various factors which influence the organizational climate. The first one is organizational structure. The perception of the extent of organizational constraints, rules, regulations, red tapeism. So everything influence the organizational climate. What is the kind of organization structure that we have in our organization? Okay. ಎಷ್ಟು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನಲ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಇಸ್ ಟೂ ರಿಜಿಡ್, ತುಂಬ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ತುಂಬ ನೀವು ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ತುಂಬ ಕಿರಿಕಿರಿ ಆದರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಗುಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್. ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರೂಲ್ಸ್, ರೈಟ್? ದೆನ್ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ, ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕವಾದ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥದ್ದು. So feeling of autonomy, of being one's own boss. Illéನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, if you have individual responsibility, you feel good. Okay. See, a work is assigned to you and you are the boss. You can complete the work and you can submit. But in between, there are so many people coming here and confusing you. Then you will feel, okay, organization climate is not good, right? So individual responsibility, where there is scope, where there is much scope for individual responsibility, the organization climate tends to be good. Then rewards. ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗುವಂತಹ ರಿವಾರ್ಡ್ಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು. ಬಹುಮಾನ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಪ್ರತಿಫಲ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಇಂದ ಅಂತ. ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು being confident of adequate and appropriate rewards. So if the employee thinks, if I complete this task, if I work well, I am going to get all these rewards. If the confidence is more, then we can say that the organization climate is good. Because of the organization climate, he is getting the confidence that he is capable of getting the reward. There is equal in the sense equal importance to everybody who is working in the organization. Risk and risk taking. So the perception of the degree of challenge and risk in the work situation. So risk ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ. If the task is very risky, for example, if somebody is working in the mines, then it is very risky. He may not be happy about the organizational climate. Correct? Risk ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, risk taking ability ನಮ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಇದು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ. ವಾರ್ಮ್ತ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್. ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಗುಡ್ ಫೆಲೋಶಿಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ನೆಸ್ ಪ್ರಿವೇಲಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವರ್ಕ್ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಹೇಗಿದೆ ವಾರ್ಮ್ತ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಹೇಗಿದೆ? ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಒಬ್ರಿಗೊಬ್ರು ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗುಡ್. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗುಡ್, ರೈಟ್? ಟಾಲರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಾನ್ಫ್ಲಿಕ್ಟ್. So what kind of tolerance? The degree of confidence that the climate can tolerate, okay, differing opinions. That means what? Organizational climate is such that wherever there are conflicts, it can be resolved very soon. It will be addressed very soon. Then we can say that, okay, there is tolerance in the organization. So whatever conflict arises, it may get solved soon. That means organization climate is good. ಯಾವಾಗ ಟಾಲರೆನ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾನ್ಫ್ಲಿಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಗ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಲೀಡರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್, ಲೀಡರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್, ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್, ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ದ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್ ಗುಡ್ ಆರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲೀಡರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ರೆ, ಇಫ್ ದ ಲೀಡರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗುಡ್ and they are supporting the employees, then we can say that organization climate is also good. Physical environment. So employee safety, environmental stress, physical space characteristics, all these things also influence the organizational climate. Physical environment tumba safe idre, we can say that organization climate is good, right? Then organizational values and norms. The loyalty, impersonality, ಓಕೆ, ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್, ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮಿಟಿ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಗುಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾರ್ಮ್, ಗುಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ಸ್, ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗುಡ್. ದೆನ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್. ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್, ಇಫ್ ದ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ದೇ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗುಡ್. ಜನರಲ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್, ಓವರ್ ಆಲ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್. So we can ask the employee, on an average, can you see, are you happy in this organization? Yes or no? If the employee says, I'm happy, overall I'm happy, that means the general satisfaction also tends to say that there is a positive organizational climate prevailing in the organization. Okay. MCQs. The social setting of the organization is known as organization culture, organization ethics, organization climate, organizational synergy, organizational climate. Which of the following is not a characteristic feature of organizational climate? Work-life balance, unique identity, multidimensional concept, intangible concept. Work-life balance. Which of the following factor does not affect organizational climate? Organizational values and norms, warmth and support, tolerance and conflict, personal life of the subordinate. Personal life of the subordinate. Which of the following factor affects the organizational climate? exchange control measures, market diversification, physical environment, economic crisis of the neighboring country, physical environment of the organization. Organization climate has a significant impact on economic conditions of the nation, job satisfaction, banking system, culture of the nation, job satisfaction. So these are the references. Thank you.